We place the shaft over the bearing so it can rotate freely in a vertical position. We seal it with clear silicone to prevent epoxy leaks. Now we'll cut this Coca-Cola can to create a cylindrical container. We'll use only this piece, which we'll also glue with silicone. It must be centered with respect to the rotor so that the epoxy properly covers all the magnets. We let it dry for 24 hours before filling it with epoxy resin. Once it's dry and perfectly glued, we prepare the resin mixture.